Hey there, I'm Satvik Bharadwaj. I'm from Delhi Public School, Nadargul, and I'm a front-end web developer. I'm also learning back-end web development, and I'm looking forward to be a full-stack web developer in a few weeks in the near future. This includes a few codes that I have written for the websites that I have created, which I'll be showing you in a few minutes. Just have a look at the codes. I have index, I have styles, I have index, and again JavaScript and so on. Now let me just show you the websites. At first, we have my personal website on my portfolio. This includes an about section, a message section, and a contact section. I have a background here, which is a parallax background. You can see the effect over here. Then when I click on about, we have the about section, which tells something about me. You can pause the video and have a look at it. The next we have again an background, parallax. Then I have HTML5 icon and some testimonial. This is a contact me page where you can contact me. You can just go through all this. If you want the link, I can just forward it to you. This is the link. I'll share you the GitHub links also. The next, I have a website that I designed for my brother. You can see it's on GitHub. I've launched it using GitHub. This is again a portfolio or a personal website. This includes a home, about me, message, my best friend, favorite, and Facebook and contact section. This is a click me, which takes you to the link that I've given. Okay, this is again a parallax. This is the about me section, which I can get by doing this. Then I have a carousel over here, which shows about the superheroes. The next, I have my best friend section over here. And the most important, most fun thing about the website is this thing, the most eye-catching thing. This is a smiley which changes its smile when I hover over it. And the position of its eyes changes as the position of the mouse changes. At last, I have his name. And this, according to me, is a startup idea. In this, I have made a website for benefiting my startup idea, which is to take book from the people who do not require it anymore and give it to the needy. In India, about 113 million students are deprived of basic study material. What my idea does is takes books from the people who just graduated and have no use for the book anymore and gives it to the people who are in need of it. As you can see, the name is Book a Book, the startup idea's name. This is a website that I have created for myself on the basis of my own startup idea. This is the home section. This is the about. Now I can rent a book or donate a book. Then I have the about section and how it works. Let us go to the about. You can just pause the video and go through all of this. It's very knowledgeable. And then I have the carousel section, which shows a few basic photos. There's book a book, say no throwing instead of needy. Just go through all the sayings. It's very catchy. And then I had the how does all this work. First we collect you guys first people donate books, then we collect them and then give it to people and they use it. It's a really good idea that I have implemented using a website. Then this is a prototype website that I designed for a hotel called as Sabharik. This has a logo over here, about and contact. This is a reserve button. Then it has the famous foods of that hotel. Then next I have few testimonials from famous people. And at last I have a copyright section over here. Then at last I have that I designed for fun. All this I have done using the help of GitHub. If you want, I could you could just use this to see my websites. It is nothing but you can see the websites to this through this. Just click it on your computer and you'll get it. Yeah, this is it. This is the hotel's name, which I'll change it with my portfolio and so on. I can use any this thing. I can open my portfolio on my brother's websites or the startup idea, that is Book a Book, and so on. At last, I would like to thank you and bid you a goodbye.